There's plenty of devices out there that you can plug into your vehicle's cigarette lighter. But what if you need to use that equipment where no 12-volt plug is available? Then you need to charge up with our feature product this week, the multi-purpose power adapter from Koolatron. Power inverters that can change your 12-volt DC outlet to 120-volt AC outlet are pretty easy to come by. But what if you need the reverse? With this power adapter on hand, you can run any 12-volt DC accessories from any standard 120-volt AC receptacle. Let me explain. Imagine you're on a road trip with a travel cooler full of food, staying chilled, plugged into the 12-volt outlet. But once you get to your destination, you don't want to keep your truck running so the food doesn't spoil. Simply grab your multi-purpose power adapter and convert that travel cooler into a mini fridge. Travel with a 12-volt air compressor pump for safety, but need to inflate your kids' toys at the lake? Save your car's battery by using the Koolatron adapter. Long-haul driver that has a 12-volt thermos to keep your coffee piping hot? Keep this power adapter at your desk, so when you're back in the office, you can enjoy hot coffee all day long. This week's feature product can transform any 12-volt 5-amp accessory from being limited to only inside the vehicle to being enjoyed virtually anywhere, all thanks to Koolatron's multi-purpose power adapter. Do you have a unique 12-volt device for your car or truck? Let's chat about it in the comments down below. And be sure to check back to the channel often for more great feature products. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for keeping it Canadian.